Hi, my name is Janice. Welcome to Janice on channel. Today I'll be showing you how to change the orientation of your Samsung Galaxy Tab tablet. Okay, now you see my tablet is actually, it's not the landscape mode, it's like portrait mode. Although I put it in landscape position. So how do I fix this? Basically, okay, I need to actually scroll down this, change this position. Okay, there's this button over here. Now it's actually portrait mode. Change it, click on it, and then the auto rotate will come up. Okay, so should be working now. There you go, my tablet is now in landscape position. Right, landscape position. So now let me try rotating. It's now in portrait position. Okay, portrait position. So there you go, landscape, portrait. So it will auto rotate. Okay, it's actually this button over here. Okay, button. Okay, yeah, very simple. Alright, hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe to my channel. Yeah, Janice on channel. Just show you again. Yeah, this button. Now it's back to normal. So yeah, do like my channel and subscribe to my channel for more future useful tips. Thanks for watching. Bye.